Hello students, today I am going to start your exercise first A, which is based on a concept of sets. Okay students, before that I have taught you the definition of a sets and their kinds. Okay, and I hope that you have completed the definition properly in your copy. So see this exercise 1, first A. In that first question number 1. Identify which of the following collections are set. Which of the following collections are set? Identify which of the following collections are set. Your first question is all the months of the year. All the months of a year. So see the sentences. All the months of the year. Months is a well defined. You know that how many months are there in a year. So this collection is well defined. So your answer is for this case yes. It is a set. Why it is a set? Because this month of a year is well defined collection. You know about the name of the months and how many months are in a 1 year. Okay. So yes, it is a set. Now see this question number 2. All super actors of India. All super actors of India. You know that super actors. This word is not well defined. There is no any criteria to measurement this actor is a super actor. So this word is not well defined. So answer for this case is no. It is not a set. It is not a set because this super actor, this word is not well defined. So this collection is also not well defined. Okay. Now third question is question number 3. All the letters of the word Mizoram. All the letters of word Mizoram. This is your question. All the letters of word Mizoram. So you know that the collection of the letters, the repetition is not allowed. You cannot repeat any letter inside the set. Okay. So it is also well defined because it is very easy to write it in a set. Okay. A is equal to M, comma I, comma Z, comma O, comma R. Okay, and then A, because M you have already written there. So this is the collection. It is a properly well defined. So yes, it is a set. It is a set. Okay, students. Same as it is question number 4. All the natural number less than 20 which are perfect square. All the natural numbers less than 20 which are perfect squares. It is also easy, students. See this question number 4. All the natural number less than 20 which are perfect squares. We can collect the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, which is less than 20. Natural number which is less than 20, these are the natural numbers. Okay. In that you can find the perfect square. 1 is also the square of 1. 4 is also perfect square. 9 is also perfect square. And then 16 is also perfect square of 4. Okay. So these are the numbers which are perfect square and less than 20. Okay. So it is also, this collection is also well defined. So yes, it is a set, students. Okay. So question Okay, so it is also a set. All the good boys of our neighborhood. Good. Students, good words is not a well defined. Yes, it is a well defined. You can clearly write this set properly, and it is a well defined. So it is a yes. And question number 6. Good word is not well defined, students. There is no any measurement to identify this person is a good, this boy is a good, this one is not good. Okay, in some cases some boys are good, in some cases some boys are not good. So good word is not well defined, so that's why it is not a set. No, question number 6, it is not a set, students. Okay, now next question number 2. Let a be the set of all whole numbers greater than -3 but less than 5. Then fill in the blanks by using belongs to and does not belongs to. So see, this question number 2 is very easy. I think you can do it in your home, students. It's very easy. Here I will discuss this one. Question number 2. In that it is given that a set A, okay, which is the collection of a whole number greater than -3, x, such that x belongs to a whole number, and where x is greater than -3 and less than -3 but less than 5. Okay, so this is in your it is in your rule method. Okay, now I am going to write it in form of a tabular form. Okay, belongs to a whole number greater than -3, so -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and less than 5 is up to 4. This set is given in your question A and asking them to fill the given blanks. First one is 0 and then A, and you can use a sign of belongs to and does not belongs to. See this one, 0 belongs to this set A or not? Yes, it is belongs to, so we use this symbol. Now the second one is 3 belongs to A or not? Yes, it is belongs to. Question number 3, -4 belongs to A or not? Yes, it is does not belongs to. Here is, you see this -4 is not given in this set. Now question number 4 one is 5 belongs to set A or not? See, this 5 is not there, so does not belongs to A. So with this help you can do this question in your home properly, students. Now question number 3. Write the following sets by using by the roster as well as the rule method. Question number 3 is also very easy to write in form of a roster method or in form of a rule method or roster method. It is very easy, students. Okay, students, see this question number 3. Write the following sets by the roster as well as the rule method. Roster, it means this tabular form, and this one is a rule method, or it is a set builder form, students. Very easy. First question is the set of letters of the word terracotta. Roster method means that you can list the element of a set by using the comma. Okay, and the rule method, you can compare the property of the given data with an unknown quantity. Okay, so that one you will also write in form of a curly bracket. This is also known as a rule method or set builder form. So first I am going to write in form of a tabular form or roster form. Okay, so in roster form. Okay, so in roster form or tabular form, both are same students. So if I suppose it set A and the repetition is not allowed, you cannot repeat any number or letter inside the curly brackets. First one is a T, then comma E, comma, one time we will write R, then A, then C, then O. T you have written, so you cannot write T. Then A you have written, so don't write T. After that you will such that x, okay, the letter x such that x, the letters of the word tericot, tericot, okay, include this curly bracket. So x says that x, the letter of the word tericot, okay, x says that x, the letters of the word tericot. So this is a rule method, or is called a set builder form or method, okay. So in that we are going to compare with the unknown quantity x and write, and using the property of the given data and write in form of a curly bracket. This is called a rule method, and this one is called a roster form or tabular form students, okay. Now question number 2, the set of the whole numbers lying between -4 and 2, okay, the set of the whole numbers lying between -4 and 2. It is also very easy students, okay. So question number 2 you will try it yourself. Now see this question number 3 students, question number 3, okay. See this question number 3 one students, second one is also very easy. See this question number 3, the set of a consonants in the word Rabindranath, okay. So first I am going to write in form of a tabular form. If we suppose this one is also set A, write the word which is consonants, okay, consonant in the word Rabindranath. So you know that A, E, I, O, U, there is a 5 vowels and other is a consonants. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, U. This is a vowels, okay. By leaving this one, others are consonants. So R, A you will not write it, then B, then I you will not write it, N, D, okay. Again R, A, N you have written that one, R you have written, A you will not write, T, and comma H, okay. Okay, this is the in roster form. This is your answer, okay. A is equal to R, B, N, D, T, H. And now same thing I am going to write in form of a rule method. In rule method or set builder form. Set A is equal to X such that X, the X such that X, the set of consonants in the word X is that X, consonants in the word Rabindranath. Rabindranath, okay. X is that X belongs to the consonants in the word Rabindranath, okay. X is that X, consonants in the word Rabindranath. So I think it is very easy if you use this one. It is very useful to write in a roster form or in rule method. And same one is question number 4. You will try it yourself. So second and fourth you will try it yourself, students. Okay. So in the next class I will discuss the remaining problem of your exercise question number 4 to 8. Okay, students. Now your homework. See this your homework, students. So today's homework is for first question. First you will do this question number 3rd, 4th, and fifth. Okay, properly in your copy. Okay, fifth and sixth also. Now the second one is in second question. Do all that one in your book. Okay. In third, question number third. Question number third, second and fourth one you will do it in your home. Okay. Okay, students.